Hello, my name is Chris Matthew, and I'm the Director of Business Development for Tropo, Tropo.com. We all program at Tropo, so what Tropo does is it's a communications platform, a cloud communications platform that specializes in multi-channel communications. So whether you're sending messages via SMS or receiving messages via SMS or placing and receiving phone calls, even with speech recognition included, or instant messages on any of the IM networks, including XMPP and Jabber, as well as Twitter. So very powerful API and platform. And my good friend and boss, Jason Gecki, also dynamic Ruby developer, he created a fax gem called PamFaxer. And we partnered with a company called PamFax to leverage their API to wrap a Ruby gem around it. And I'm going to demo how that works for you right now. But I'm also going to put it inside of a cool Tropo application, and I'm going to explain more details on that shortly. So you can go to github.com/tropo/pamfaxer to take a look at the gem and pull it. You can also click here on this PamFax link, and you'll go to our Tropo affiliate page that we have with them. Sign up, get your own account. When you have your own account, you'll be able to log in and see, put your account balance and stuff for sending and receiving faxes. But the gem currently only supports sending. So let me show you what it looks like. So if we go into this little example here, we're going to require a PamFaxer. These are your API keys and user name and password. But then from there, it's real straightforward. You create a fax job, you list the available covers, you select a cover, and then we'll put some text in there like Chris was here too. I already sent to Chris was here one a while ago. You add a recipient. If you wanted to attach files like on S3 or local files, you could do that here with add remote or add file. You basically loop waiting for fax to be ready to send, and you send the fax. So let's go ahead and send one real quick. I'm basically going to run this application, and what it's going to do is it's going to send me a fax that with just a cover letter that's going to say Chris was here too. Okay, so while that's running, let me show you what I built on Tropo. It takes like a minute or so to actually send the fax. Tropo, I wrote, looks like a 5-line program. It runs on it's a Ruby app that runs on our cloud, on our scripting API. And basically it lets you, it translates your voice to fax using PamFaxer. So we're going to say, welcome to the Tropo Fax Demo. We're going to use a voice that's Dave, pretty mellow voice. He's going to ask us for a phone number. We can touch tone it or speak it in there. It'll ask us to record something we want to fax. It'll shoot us the transcription to my Tunler account, which is running on localhost, and then it'll basically say thanks for calling and hang up. So let me go here. We're going to run transcribe. I want to make sure my Tunler is working. Okay, Tunler looks happy. My app looks happy. So let's go ahead and call. So hang on. So if we close this window down, you'll see that when you create applications on Tropo, you get all this goodness. You get phone numbers. You can attach as many phone numbers as you want. You get Skype address. There's the fax coming in from what we just said a while ago. So we get Skype address, SIP address, INUM, and then a phono address. If you want to do something from the browser. So we're going to go ahead and call it via Skype. It says OK.
To the Tropo Fax Demo. What's your fax number? Please include your country code.
1-480-219-1300.
Please say what you would like for me to fax.
Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test of the PamFax API written by Jason Gecki and running on the Tropo platform.
Your voice is being converted to a facsimile. Go check your fax machine. Goodbye.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's see. So if we watch Sinatra, so I wrote that in Ruby and Sinatra, we should see when it comes in. So it says it's running basically right now. What happens is the transcription does its thing, and usually within 10 seconds or so we'll get, depending on how long your speech was, it'll actually send it here to whatever URL you send it. Now it looks like our first fax is ready. So the transcription will come in. So while we're waiting on that, let me show you my fax. So we're in my man cave. I'll take you on a tour. I have a couple of walls of guitars, so that's what you'll see right there. If we have time, I'll show you what they are. Oh, there's so the fax did come in. It posted. Here's a copy of the one that came in a while ago. So there's the cover letter we selected, and if you look at the message, it says Chris was here too. So that was the one we just sent a while ago. Kind of cool. So right now it's sending my transcription demo out as well. So while we're waiting on it to send the fax, let me show you some of my guitars. So this one is a Flying V, you know, the one Randy Rhoads made popular. It's a Jackson, pretty slick. This one is pretty nice. This one is a 50th anniversary Fender Stratocaster. So that was a limited edition Strat that I absolutely love. Next to it is what I call the Splattercaster. So it's a Mexican Strat with a custom splatter paint job. Pretty cool. And then this one is, I think they call this one a Tex-Mex Strat. It has the double humbucker pickups. I don't know if you can see that on the bottom there, for kind of like a really fat sound. And then this guitar back here is an Ibanez. It doesn't get much love because I'm more of a Strat guy, but it's cool nonetheless. So this is where I guess I either tap dance or I get a guitar out and play it for you. Although I'm not sure that would be any more entertaining than this. So we'll see. Yeah, so it looks like everything ran fine. I think we're just waiting on PamFax to send us the fax. Ah, there it is. Is that a beauty of a fax machine? That's like so, I don't know, 80s? Says receiving. Oh, there it goes. I don't know what fax transmission speeds are these days, 14.4 or 28.8 kilobits per second. I don't know. Here it comes. So that's why I got carried away. So what it says here is it says this is a test of the PamFax fax that you're using for Tropo. So very cool. See what you can use fax for these days, and give the gem a try. And we'd love to hear more about your experiences with Tropo and multimodal communications. See ya.